I sent you this yesterday, but maybe you have a response to it. 10 women in Haiti that say that they've had children fathered by UN peacekeepers have made paternity claims, and they say also have served something on the UN asking for the UN to take steps to assist in their case, or at least not to block their case. And they say that these peacekeepers have returned from Haiti to Uruguay, Argentina, Nigeria, and Sri Lanka. So they need the UN's help, I guess, to pursue their case. What is the UN's response to this action?
Yeah, we did receive information from a representative of the law firm Bureau des Avocats Internationaux. And as per our usual procedure, the representative of that law firm was informed that the UN mission, MINUSTAH, may acknowledge receipt and review in accordance with its own procedures, claims, letters, but cannot accept summons as they violate its immunity of jurisdiction. He was directed to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for further clarification. Regarding the work that we do, as with any such situation, regarding in a case of paternity, responsibility for child support rests with individuals who have been established to have fathered children. The United Nations will assist to the extent that it can in such processes, including by assisting in the collection of DNA samples from mothers and children for eventual testing against samples from alleged fathers for use in national legal processes. The United Nations will also liaise with the states of nationality of alleged fathers, requesting that paternity and child support claims be addressed and matters followed up with claimants, as member states have engaged themselves to do. However, the United Nations itself cannot legally establish paternity or child support entitlements, and as indicated in the existing policy as adopted by the General Assembly, compensation is a matter of personal accountability to be determined under national legal processes.
I guess I wanted, I mean, generally, it seems like, is this the same policy? It has Jane Connors naming as a victims. Is she aware of this case? Is she going to act on it? And two, one of the claimants was 17 when she gave birth, which makes it, if true, a crime under Haitian law. So I'm just wondering, is the UN, I guess I understand that it wants to assert immunity in a certain way, or not, or
There's rather more than I said than that.
No,
I told you
understand.
what we're doing.
Right, but I guess I'm saying, what would you say to those who say it seems like, given the issues that are public right now, it seems like a kind of a strangely legalistic approach? Or in the case of the mother that was 17 when she gave birth, is there a concern on the UN's part that a peacekeeper may have engaged in statutory rape, and what will actually the UN do about that?
The questions that arise regarding our zero tolerance policy are things that we would engage in other ways. The cases raised by this law firm have already been investigated by the UN mission, MINUSTAH. They all concern military and police personnel, and the results of the DNA tests were communicated to the victims or their representatives. For positive DNA tests, MINUSTAH and the UN facilitated contacts between the victims and representatives of the relevant troop contributing or police contributing country.
Right, but they obviously weren't satisfied with that response. That's why they served headquarters with papers. But I'll go over your answer. I agree, it's quite extensive.
Yes.